Here he is. Camp park. Holy hell. Here he is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here we are, my e-scooter. Whew. Where'd the guy go? Oh, he went to the buzzer. Oh, there he is. Oh.
You're not a very trusting sort, are you?
Hi. Well, it's an expensive package.
Yeah.
So I had the buzzer on it, but I was also waiting just in case. You never know.
Oh.
And I seen you drive by. You didn't pull in this way.
Yeah, no, I was going around the block. There you go.
Awesome.
And it's Thomas, I take it?
Yeah, my name is Thomas.
Perfect. Have yourself a good day.
It's the first time I ever used Campar. It came all the way from Vancouver.
I've delivered to you before.
Have you?
Yeah.
But never from.
Probably DHL or Loomis though.
But never from Vancouver, and then yeah, I had to go across, and then it just got picked up in Etobicoke or whatever. So,
Okay. Have a good day.
thanks, sir. There you are, everyone. Campar just delivered it. My new Evolv scooter. Believe it or not, I didn't even have to sign for it. Came all the way from Vancouver. Evolv rides. I got the Tour XL. So it was, like I said, I mean, it wasn't the most expensive thing in the world, but $1,600. Goes 45 kilometers an hour, scooter. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Ooh. Have to figure out how I'm going to carry it upstairs. Ooh. It says fragile, handle with care. Evolv Tour XL. Fragile, handle with care, charge. Your job is to charge. I don't know. Evolv rides. Came all the way from Vancouver. Where are we? Urban Makina. So this is when we're gonna figure out how to carry it upstairs. It's actually not that heavy, but yeah, there's a entire scooter in here. I could take it out and unbox it here. I don't bring any knife or anything. They even wrote my address on it. Jim, I don't know where he is. I think he's sleeping to see the new scooter. I'll probably have to put it all together inside my apartment, and then I'll be able to ride again. Right now my e-bike is in the shop. Unbelievable. They're gonna have to take it to Toronto, they're saying, maybe. It used to sit right there. That one goes 70 kilometers an hour at max off-road when I'm off-roading, because a lot of people do off-road around here. Like, there's a lot of off-road trails, so when we're off-roading, we go fast. But then I need something just to get around. That one's in the shop. This one you take upstairs. Woo. Here we are. That's more like home. Yeah, so I can't wait to start riding this one. I haven't had one of these e-scooters before. Well, you see me unbox one of them, but that one was only like $400 or something, $500. This one was $1,600. So it's a significantly nicer electronic scooter, e-scooter, than I've ever used. And then there's ones that are 4,000 that go 70, and all types of ones faster than the e-bikes, or just as fast as the e-bikes, I mean. Anyways, how am I going to carry it up? I think I'm going to carry it upstairs, and Well, you could unbox it here, I guess. There's a lot of stuff to get going on with it. Oh, man. All right, so are we gonna unbox it here? Well, there's a charger, there's a this, there's a that in it. I was thinking, what's the point of taking it upstairs if I'm gonna have to throw away this box and throw away all the stuff anyway? So, hold on a minute. Yeah. So maybe we will unbox the Evolv Tour XL. Alright. As long as no one's... So we're gonna unbox it. I only got my key, so... Drop my little glasses. Darn it. Alright. That's not what this is for. This is for commuting. Kids, I don't think kids can ride these ones. They're way too fast. I wouldn't want too young of a kid riding it. Woo. There it is, Urban Machina. I was calling it Urban Machina. Other people were calling it Machina. Let me put away my keys. Finally. Whew. I gotta watch my shadow. I gotta find a different angle. I've just opened up the Tour XL, Evolv Tour XL, courtesy of Urban Machina, as others call it. So there's my scooter in the box. I gotta unbox it. So let's see. I don't know, we got styrofoam, lots of styrofoam. We got this. That's for tightening the handlebars on. Whoo! Wow. Here's the charger, I'm assuming. That can just go here. Wow. You can see the sheer size of the wheels. You can see the sheer size of the wheels. They're really nice. So, that's cool. So I think you got to put the thing on. Let me see. You can just pull it right out. There you are. Whoa, where are we? All right. Yeah, look at how big the wheels are. I didn't think they were going to be that big. Really, I didn't know what to expect. It's a lot bigger than I thought, actually. With the deck or whatever. It's got those big suspension things. Let's see. It's got that. You gotta install the headlight. Let's put the styrofoam back in the box. That'll make it easy. Whew. All right, we got out of the box. The video doesn't really do it justice. If you see it in person, it's about double the size of what you think it is in the video. So you see it in the video and you think it's about that size. It's actually just about one size bigger in reality, or what have you. If you know what I mean. Let me see. Just give me a minute. They're a Vancouver-based company. They're saying. Yeah, they're a Vancouver-based company. Whew. If you've seen this sucker, I tell you what, it's big. There it is, it's almost done, almost ready. The handlebars are right there, everything's right there. I think actually they assembled everything for me. Give me a minute, I gotta figure this out, right? But it looks like they assembled the headlight for me and all that. Woo, it's heavy. Woo, handlebars and all that. Woo. Woo. Let's see. Oh. Man, what a workout, but woo, yeah, look at her, she's beautiful. Dang, you know, I was saying like, oh, I only got a $1,600 scooter, I should have got the, but that's all I can afford at the moment, you know, for my commuting vehicle, and I've been starving for it, you know, but it's really nice for $1,600. The wheels are big. How do you, what's this? I see right here, that's that. Whole bunch of videos actually. Ooh, look at the tires. I'm just trying to figure out how you do this. Oh, is it this? No. Like that? Nope. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to figure out how you lift the stem up. I might have to look at the instructions. Holy moly. Holy moly, I might have to look at the instructions. There's the charger. Here's the instructions. It's got really nice grip tape on it. Whew. I tell you what. Woo. Let's throw this out. I don't know. For some reason I didn't get Buddy. He's my buddy. He's also Italian. Well, he's more than my buddy. He actually is the Bruce County Housing official. He was here and he had a good part in the video, but like always, something screwed up that. Oh. Like he had a good part in the video. And I just, for some reason, I must accidentally, well, I didn't accidentally hit the button. You know how it is. Sometimes the button, yeah, like you think it's going and it goes for 10 seconds and then it stops going, you know? Yeah, I do a little bit different than other ones. Just like this, Tommy. Woo. Got my keys, got everything. When my buddy sees me, oh my buddy gonna be jealous. But eventually I'm gonna get one of the more expensive ones, maybe. I think I'm gonna take it upstairs and figure it out. That's the best plan. Because these things, believe it or not, you know, I have the e-bike and that's great. But I have to lock that e-bike up over here. And it's a lot of work taking the battery out and all that. Huge work taking the battery out and all that. And you gotta charge it and all that. And you gotta worry about people stealing it and all that. I didn't know about these until after I bought my e-bike because I already had an e-bike long ago. Then I said, hey, I remember back in the day they were working on those e-scooters. I wonder if they are in like final production. Well, they were more than final production. They got like sales rooms, they got all types of stuff. So I was like, well, I'm buying it. And here it is. And you can just pick it up. Yeah, like you gotta watch how big you get. No, this is my main vehicle. This is a big thing for me. This is my main, just like your car. I don't have a car. So-and-so's got a car. I don't even have a car. I need to get groceries and all types of stuff. Oh my God. It is heavy though. And I do hate our door. I do hate our door for going in and out, I tell you. Oh my. Look at the frickin' suspension. Whew. She's work getting upstairs though. Ooh, give me a second. I get in the air conditioning here. Ooh, give me a second. Oh. To get in the air conditioning here. Oh my goodness. Ooh, got her in. Show it to Mike, buddy. Maybe I'll let him ride it whenever I get my bigger one, but probably not. Oh, don't pull my back out. Bam! Whew. We'll set her up later. Whew. I'll set her up later. Whew. Whew. Oh. Whew. Oh. Whew. What up now? What up now? Whew. Linux. Linux. You don't want to get two hairs on it, huh? Don't want to get no hair on it, huh? Yep, even the Bruce County people, housing people, seen my new vehicle. There's the horn button, there's the lights, handlebars, grip tape, big deck for standing, high voltage. Wheels, big wheels on it. Get to the store and everything. And all that. Suspension. Yeah, it's got lights on the side here. Yeah. Ooh, wow. Motor. This one's only got a single motor on it. I also got to set up the handlebars on it. Oh, it's easy like that. So the handlebars and everything just snapped into place. Can you believe that? The handlebars just snapped right into place and everything. Crazy.